Brothers Repsol back at you. Changing these grips. These are the Adversaries. I've saved you guys the trouble of taking all this apart, or watching me take all this apart. But I'll show you why you can't adjust the position of this one. This one you can, the throttle side, because it catches in those teeth. It's too dark, you can't see that, but inside this grip catch this teeth here. So you can change the position of this side to whatever, but the clutch side, you set this down. And we're going with these. It's part number, you see that? These are the same ones that my brother has. And I'm not going to put you through the process of me putting those on. I just wanted to show you guys that you cannot adjust the position. So if you look up in here, it's very hard to see. It's too dark. Let me open the garage. Excuse the mess in the garage. I gotta get some of this out of here. And if you can see, it's hard to tell, but there's a notch. The bottom side of this grip has a flared out or bigger round area that fits into this, and I don't know if I can get it out with one hand. Let me try. See how that notch right there? Let me set you guys down real quick. Sorry. Alright, that's a little better. So if you look at the grip, see this notched area here that sticks out, these ears? And this is not glued on, guys. You don't have to glue this on. See that flared edge there? See how it's not perfectly round all the way around? That locks into, you see that groove right there at the bottom? See if you guys can see that. Whoa, sorry about that. But there's a notched out right there, and it's the same on the back side. So when you tighten that down, that locks your grip into the position that I guess they want you to have your grip positioned at, the correct way according to them. So like I said, guys, I'm not gonna put you through the processes of putting these new ones on. I did just want to explain why you can't position this one, and this one you can. See how it's completely around? This one has the notch. So throttle side, you can put wherever you want, but it would look ridiculous not lined up with this one. Just my opinion. So I hope that explains some things for you guys. I think I have these sold. Like I said, I think I had them on there 10 days, maybe. Or used them 3 or 4 times, rode the bike 3 or 4 times with them on there. Just after watch the last video, you'll know why I'm taking these off and putting these other ones on. So, alright guys, have a good weekend. Peace out.